My name is Jamie, and a bit of background, it might sound obvious that I'm from South Africa, and I've been in New Zealand for about 10 years, just finally making my way onto the property market. Problems in the property domain is Auckland is super expensive, so found a very good value property here in Hewlett, Oasis. They were new builds and they look pretty inviting, very good looking homes, so I thought it's definitely worth checking out. And compared to what I'd seen before, the price really stood up pretty well and the build was really good. Getting a 2-bedroom house with a study, 2 bathrooms, so great place to proudly step into. One of the things for me is being out west here is I'm close to the beaches that I love, Muriwai, Bettles Beach, that sort of thing. And it's easy enough access to get to the cycleway which I'll be using to get into Auckland. I chose the Kiwi Build program because it essentially ensured that I didn't have to enter the auction market and bid against people who had very deep pockets and secure myself a property without actually fighting that fight. This is fully sold out. I think there's good demand for this, great properties, so any more like this, I recommend it.